Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered, what lies beyond the stars? Since time immemorial, humans have been drawn to the cosmos, a dark canvas sprinkled with countless points of light. Intrigue and curiosity have always been a part of our DNA, fueling our desire to reach out and touch the stars. Space, the final frontier, has always captivated our imaginations. It's an endless expanse of unknown, a vast ocean of mysteries waiting to be unlocked. The void above us, filled with galaxies, stars, and planets, is a testament to the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. Just think about it. We're on a tiny blue dot, spinning in a corner of the Milky Way, and yet, our dreams stretch far beyond our own solar system. We're just beginning to dip our toes into the cosmic ocean, exploring, learning, and making astonishing discoveries. Our journey to the stars started not so long ago, and it's been quite a ride. It was the year 1957 when the first artificial satellite, Sputnik, was launched by the Soviet Union. A silver sphere, no larger than a beach ball, it beeped its way into history, marking the dawn of the space age. This was the first time humanity had reached beyond the confines of our own planet, a feat that seemed almost unimaginable just a few decades before. This bold move sparked a fierce rivalry between the world's superpowers. The United States, not to be outdone, quickly ramped up its own space program, NASA. Thus began the space race, an intense competition between the Soviet Union and the United States, each vying to prove their technological superiority by reaching new heights in space exploration. In 1961, the world watched in awe as the Soviet Union took another monumental step. Yuri Gagarin, a young pilot, became the first human to orbit the Earth, forever changing our perspective of our place in the universe. The world was captivated, and the idea that space was the final frontier, an unexplored territory, was firmly cemented in our collective consciousness. Yet, the United States was not far behind. In 1969, under the Apollo program, they achieved a feat that still resonates with wonder and awe. The Apollo 11 mission successfully landed astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin on the moon. As Armstrong stepped onto the lunar surface and uttered the famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," the world held its breath. The moon was no longer a distant celestial body. It was a place where humans had set foot. But this was not the end of the journey, far from it. The moon landing was not just about winning the space race. It was about pushing the boundaries of what was possible. It was about venturing into the unknown and expanding our understanding of the universe. These were giant leaps for mankind indeed, but they were just the beginning. The stage was set for a new era of exploration, one that would take us beyond the moon and into the farthest reaches of space. While manned missions capture our imagination, unmanned probes and rovers have been our eyes and ears in the universe. Consider the Voyager probes. Launched in the late 70s, these twin spacecraft are still hard at work, more than 4 decades later. Voyager 1 is currently the most distant human-made object in space, having crossed the boundary of our solar system and entered interstellar space. The data sent back by these intrepid explorers, from the stunning images of Jupiter's Great Red Spot to the haunting sounds of interstellar space, have deepened our understanding of the cosmos in ways we could have never imagined. Now let's take a trip closer to home, to our neighbor Mars. The red planet has been visited by a fleet of rovers, each more sophisticated than the last. There's Spirit and Opportunity, the twin rovers that uncovered evidence of past water activity on Mars. Then there's Curiosity, which has been climbing the slopes of Mount Sharp, analyzing Martian soil and sending back incredible images of the Martian landscape. And most recently, there's Perseverance, which is currently on the hunt for signs of ancient microbial life. But it's not just our solar system that's been under scrutiny. Spacecraft like Kepler and TESS have been scanning the stars, hunting for exoplanets. These missions have discovered thousands of planets orbiting other stars, some of which could potentially harbor life. And let's not forget New Horizons, the probe that gave us our first close-up look at Pluto, revealing a complex and beautiful world with mountains of ice and a heart-shaped glacier. Beyond Pluto, New Horizons continues its journey, exploring the distant and mysterious Kuiper Belt. Each of these missions, every probe and rover, has contributed a piece to the grand puzzle of the universe. They have sent back a wealth of data and images, helping us to understand our place in the cosmos. They have shown us the beauty and diversity of worlds beyond our own. These tireless explorers have showed us worlds we could only dream about. Floating above us is a marvel of international cooperation and scientific achievement, the International Space Station. The International Space Station, or ISS, is a testament to what can be accomplished when nations unite in the name of scientific exploration. First conceptualized in the late 20th century, the ISS took over a decade to construct, with the first component launched into space in 1998 by Russia. This colossal structure, spanning the size of a football field, is a collaborative project between 5 space agencies: NASA from the United States, Roscosmos from Russia, ESA from Europe, JAXA from Japan, and CSA from Canada. Each of these agencies provides a unique contribution to the ISS, be it in terms of technology, personnel, or research. The ISS orbits our planet at an altitude of roughly 400 kilometers, circling the Earth approximately every 90 minutes. This means the crew aboard the station experiences 16 sunrises and sunsets in a single day. But what exactly is the purpose of this orbiting laboratory? The ISS serves as a hub for a multitude of scientific research, from studying the effects of microgravity on the human body to observing Earth's climate. The station also serves as a platform for the testing of spacecraft systems and equipment required for missions to the Moon and Mars. Over the years, the ISS has witnessed a number of significant achievements. It has hosted astronauts from 18 countries, fostering international cooperation in space. It has also been home to over 3,000 research investigations from researchers in over 100 countries, contributing to our understanding of life on Earth and in space. Moreover, the ISS has been instrumental in inspiring the next generation of scientists, engineers, and astronauts. Through live video links, astronauts aboard the station often communicate with students around the world, sharing their experiences and sparking curiosity about the universe beyond our planet. The ISS is not just a space station, it's a symbol of what we can achieve when we work together. As we look to the future, the possibilities of space exploration seem limitless. Indeed, our celestial curiosity is propelling us towards new and exciting frontiers. The Moon, our closest cosmic neighbor, is due for a visit once more. This isn't merely a nostalgic trip down the memory lane of the Apollo missions, but a step towards establishing a permanent human presence there. The lunar surface is rich with resources and holds the potential to serve as a launch pad for missions further into the cosmos. Meanwhile, the red planet Mars continues to beckon us. With various rovers like Perseverance currently trundling across its dusty terrain, we've already begun to scratch the surface. But the true game changer? Manned missions to Mars. Scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to overcome the formidable challenges this presents, from the long-duration space travel to the need for sustainable life support systems. But the day we set foot on Martian soil will herald a new era in human history. Beyond our solar system, the search for extraterrestrial life continues to captivate us. The James Webb Space Telescope, set to launch soon, will peer deeper into the universe than ever before, seeking out planets that might harbor life. It's an endeavor that could fundamentally alter our understanding of our place in the cosmos. In the grand scheme of things, we're also looking at interstellar travel. The concept of venturing to other stars and galaxies may seem like science fiction, but projects like Breakthrough Starshot are already exploring the feasibility of such journeys. These voyages, if successful, could open up an entirely new realm of exploration and discovery. The future of space exploration is a tapestry of innovation, courage, and insatiable curiosity. It's a testament to our unyielding desire to reach out, to learn, and to understand. As we embark on these journeys, we're not just exploring space, but also the very essence of what it means to be human. The universe is vast and full of mysteries, but bit by bit, we're unlocking its secrets. From the first satellite to the latest Mars rover, We've come a long way in our quest to understand the universe. We've launched probes to the furthest reaches of our solar system, and rovers that tread the dusty surface of Mars. We've built an international space station that orbits our planet, providing a unique perspective of Earth and a testing ground for future missions. Each step we've taken has been monumental, opening up new worlds and revealing secrets of the cosmos. And yet, we are merely scratching the surface. The future of space exploration holds even more promise, from establishing permanent bases on the Moon to sending humans to Mars and beyond. Our journey through the cosmos is a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. It's a journey that continues to push the boundaries of what we know and where we can go. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, we're just at the beginning of our journey to the stars.